In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Google Sheets API in Python. To begin, open Google Cloud Console and make sure you are inside the correct project. Using the right project matters because the API settings and credentials you create will only apply to that specific project. From the main navigation, go to APIs and Services. This is the area where you turn Google APIs on and manage access to them. Click Enable APIs and Services to open the API library. In the search bar, type in your query to find the Sheets service, then select Google Sheets API from the results. On the Google Sheets API page, click Try this API to view the interactive reference, then click Manage to move into the Setup and Administration area for this API. Next, go to Credentials. Credentials are what your Python app uses to prove it is allowed to access Google Sheets. On the Credentials page, click the option near the top. Then choose Create Credentials. Select the option that requests user consent, since this flow is designed for accessing user data through OAuth. Now click Configure Consent screen. On the Branding and Consent Setup page, click Get Started. Enter the requested app information in the highlighted field, then choose a user support email from the dropdown. Use an email you control and can receive messages at, because Google uses it for important notices. Click Next. For the user type, select Internal. This option is typically used for apps restricted to users within an organization. After confirming Internal, continue through the page by clicking the highlighted option, and then Next. On the next section, click the highlighted fields shown and continue with Next. When you reach the area for email addresses, click Email Addresses and type the required value in the highlighted field, then click Next. In Contact Information, select the contact email as shown, then click Next. Review the final confirmation. Check the box to agree to the Google API Services User Data Policy. Click the highlighted option, and then click Continue. Click Create to finish the consent screen setup. Back on the overview, click Create OAuth Client. Choose the highlighted client type option. Select Web Application, fill in the highlighted name field, and then click Create. After it is created, click the highlighted area to view the client details. Finally, open your Google Sheet. Click Extensions, choose Python for Sheets, and then click Start. This launches the integration so you can begin working with the Google Sheets API from Python. And that is all there is to it.